Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mad Monday. Today we're going to talk about don't hate your plate. So why would you hate your plate? And when we talk about plate, we mean build plate. So whenever you break off your parts from your build plate, or when you saw them off, you usually have leftovers from the printing process on there. So what you want is get rid of that and have another shiny plate to print on again. And typically you do that with a machining center or a grinding machine, but not all companies have such big and expensive machines. So today we will show you how to do that with a very inexpensive lathe that's even manual. Alright, so here we are on our lathe. It's an all manual lathe, so no CNC functions. And what we do to fix the plates is we put them in the chuck here, and we will show you a close-up of that in a second. And as you can see, the plate is pretty roughed up, and so we need to do multiple passes to get this fixed up. So what we typically do is we do either one or multiple roughing cuts to get rid of most of the supports and all the stuff that's on the build plate. And sometimes you have to do quite a lot of roughing cuts. As you can see on this build plate, this is pretty messed up. And usually we do a finishing cut with a slower speed and also with liquid on the machine, so you get a smooth and finished surface. So as you can see on these inserts here, we use actually one side for the roughing cut and then the other good side for the finishing cut. Because of the interrupted cutting, the roughing cut side usually gets very brittle after a while, and it breaks off or you have little chips in it. So you don't get a really nice finish on the surface, but it does the job. And all you want to do is, have this final cut where you have a smooth surface. So if you've done it right, your plate should look something like this. If you have more questions about additive manufacturing and want tips and tricks, hit us up on LinkedIn or mail me directly. Follow us on LinkedIn or YouTube if you want to learn more about additive manufacturing and Mad Monday.